Welcome to Easy Driver, the most reliable source of automotive information on YouTube. This is the second part of Range Rover cars mechanics constantly warn against, continuing with more important mechanical warnings, hidden issues, and costly mistakes that owners should avoid to protect their vehicle. Another common issue mechanics warn about is delaying transmission service. Some owners believe modern transmissions never need maintenance, but mechanics strongly disagree. Transmission fluid can become dirty over time, reducing lubrication and increasing wear inside the transmission. Hard shifting, slipping gears, or delayed acceleration may appear if the fluid is neglected for too long. Regular servicing helps extend transmission life and prevent extremely expensive rebuilds. Mechanics also warn people against buying a Range Rover just for status without understanding ownership costs. Luxury SUVs can be expensive to maintain, especially as they age. Tires, brakes, suspension parts, and electronic repairs often cost much more than repairs for regular vehicles. Some owners become shocked when repair bills start appearing because they focused only on the purchase price. Mechanics often advise buyers to prepare a maintenance budget before owning a luxury vehicle. Another thing mechanics constantly warn about is ignoring oil leaks. Some owners notice small oil spots under the vehicle but continue driving without inspection. Oil leaks can become dangerous if engine oil levels drop too low. Leaks may come from valve cover gaskets, oil pans, seals, or turbo lines depending on the model. Mechanics recommend fixing leaks early because waiting too long can damage the engine and increase repair costs. Mechanics also advise against using the wrong fuel or low-quality fuel. Many Range Rover models require premium gasoline for proper performance. Using lower-quality fuel repeatedly may reduce engine efficiency and increase carbon buildup inside the engine. Over time, this can affect fuel economy, power, and engine smoothness. Mechanics often say following the manufacturer's fuel recommendations helps keep the engine healthier for longer. Another major warning involves dashboard warning lights. Some drivers ignore warning lights because the vehicle still drives normally. Mechanics constantly explain that warning lights are early signs that something needs attention. Ignoring them may allow small issues to become serious mechanical failures. Whether it is a check engine light, suspension warning, or battery alert, diagnosing the problem early usually saves money. Mechanics also warn against skipping regular inspections. Even if the vehicle feels fine, hidden problems may already be developing underneath. Regular inspections can detect worn brakes, leaking fluids, suspension damage, or tire problems before they become dangerous. Catching issues early is one of the best ways to reduce long-term repair costs and improve vehicle reliability. Another thing mechanics frequently mention is the importance of proper tire care. Uneven tire pressure or worn tires can affect handling, suspension performance, and fuel economy. Since Range Rovers are heavy vehicles, tires wear faster if alignment or suspension problems exist. Mechanics recommend checking tire pressure regularly and rotating tires when needed to extend tire life and improve driving safety. Mechanics also warn owners about water damage. Some drivers assume every Range Rover is built for extreme off-road adventures, but deep water can still damage electronics, sensors, and engine components if the vehicle is not properly prepared. Water entering sensitive systems can create expensive electrical problems that may take a long time to diagnose and repair. Finally, mechanics constantly remind Range Rover owners that preventive maintenance is far cheaper than major repairs. Waiting until something completely breaks often leads to higher repair costs and longer downtime. Taking care of small issues early, using quality parts, and following maintenance schedules can make a huge difference in the ownership experience. While Range Rovers can provide luxury, comfort, and impressive performance, they require responsible ownership and proper care to stay reliable over time. Owning a Range Rover can be enjoyable when maintained correctly, but ignoring warning signs and delaying maintenance often leads to expensive problems. Mechanics constantly repeat the same advice because they regularly see preventable issues turning into major repairs. Understanding these common warnings can help owners protect their investment, avoid unnecessary breakdowns, and enjoy their vehicle with fewer problems in the future. Please comment, like, share, and subscribe for more automotive information like this. Thank you for watching.